thanks to a guy named Ted Schultz, who became the department chair at a ridiculously young age.
Wow, talk about being thrown into the deep end, right?
Yeah, he was told to make good at it, which is hardly a vote of confidence, haha. But he did, building a powerhouse department.
So what made this Ames school so special anyway?
Schultz was all about practical solutions, not just, academic theories. His department started turning out pamphlets criticizing existing aggregational policies.
Bold move, especially in a state like Iowa, right?
Exactly. Pamphlet number 1 already ruffled feathers by questioning cotton subsidies. But then came pamphlet number 5.
Oh, here comes the butter, I guess.
Offered by a grad student named Oz Brownlee. It had to compare butter to margarine.
And I'm guessing that didn't go over well with the Iowa farmers. I mean, come on.
You have no idea. Brownlee basically said margarine was just as good, if not better than butter, especially since they could add vitamin A to it.
The nerve, right?
Iowan farmers went ballistic. They felt betrayed by their own university.
I can imagine. It's like the university was biting the hand that fed it.
The university president caved, forming a committee to reorganize the department. This was the beginning of the end. The department was gutted, with 60% of the faculty leaving.
A mass exodus over margarine? Seriously? That's insane.
Seriously. And among those who left were 3 future Nobel laureates: Ted Schultz, George Stigler, and Leo Hurwitz.
Wait, what? 3 Nobel Prize winners, all because of a butter controversy? You're kidding me.
Hurwitz's story is especially wild. He didn't even have an economics degree.
You're kidding, right?
Nope. He had a law degree from Warsaw, but got hired as an associate professor based on recommendations from Oscar Lange and Paul Samuelson.
That's insane. Talk about unconventional, wow.
Schultz's background was also unique. He didn't even finish high school.
What? How did he become an economics superstar then? His father pulled him out to work on the farm, but he later took college courses and impressed everyone with his brilliance.
Yeah, it was a gamble for Wisconsin to admit him, but it paid off big time. And let's not forget Oz Brownlee, the grad student who started it all.
The margarine mastermind, haha.
He became a rock star in the economics world, publishing tons of articles while still a student.
So where did these guys end up after the Iowa State debacle anyway?
Hurwitz and Brownlee both landed at the University of Minnesota.
Minnesota's game, Iowa's loss, for sure.
The author of this piece actually had Brownlee as his thesis supervisor, at least for a while.
Small world, huh?
The big takeaway is that this whole margarine mess likely prevented these brilliant minds from staying at Iowa State.
And all 3 went on to win Nobel Prizes? The irony is just, wow.
Iowa State hasn't had a Nobel laureate in economics since.
Ouch. That's gotta sting, right?
It's a classic example of the law of unintended consequences,
Absolutely. Nobody could have predicted that a seemingly minor controversy would lead to such a massive loss for the university.
And that 3 of their faculty members would win a prize that didn't even exist at the time. It really highlights the importance of academic freedom and the potential cost of stifling research, right?
For sure. Who knows what other breakthroughs might have come out of Iowa State if they had supported their faculty? It's crazy to think about.
It's a cautionary tale about the importance of standing by your researchers, even when their findings are unpopular.
Definitely a reminder that sometimes the most groundbreaking ideas come from challenging the status quo.